Choosing the correct battery for your solar electric project is crucial. Luckily, Anygap's EGB series meets all the standards for a long-lasting, safe and durable energy storage system. Adjustable reactive power compensation technology ensures maximum efficiency and performance. With a rated power of up to 10 kilowatts and a battery capacity of up to 200 amperes, the product is capable of meeting the energy needs of most residential homes. Plus, with the ability to connect up to 6 units in parallel, you can quickly scale up as your energy needs grow. Lithium iron phosphate battery technology provides higher energy density, which means they can store more energy in a smaller space. This makes them ideal for use in solar installations where space is limited. Additional benefits are the longer lifespan and less maintenance compared to other battery technologies. The system is IP54 protected against dust and water and is suitable for indoor and outdoor use depending on conditions. These come with a 10-year warranty period, letting you rest assured that the investment is safe. A monitoring bar allows easy tracking of battery capacity, and with an efficiency rating of up to 98.7%, you can be sure that you are getting the most out of your solar energy. Anygap is a global leader, offering a wide range of products for residential and commercial use. Battery modules, mobile power stations, electric vehicle chargers, and other smart energy management solutions. With over 1 gigawatt installed worldwide by 2021, our mission is to become the world's leading battery storage provider.